Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Guzzlord. You must know, Guzzlord is one of the mysterious several Ultra Beasts. And it first appeared in an episode where Ash and Pikachu travel to a parallel world similar to theirs, where Alola was destroyed by it. Anyways, the heroes of that world was Dia and his partner Zeraora, even though they didn't catch it. Anyways, Ash and Pikachu, they want to send Guzzlord back to the realm from whence it came from before it causes any more ruckus. In another case, Guzzlord made a return when Ash won the Pokemon League, and it was a brutal battle. And believe me, I don't know when Guzzlord is going to appear again, but let's just hope it's not the last we've seen of him. Anyways, to draw him, you just start with the eyes. If you must know about Guzzlord, he can devour mountains, and he can devour buildings as well. Okay, just ignore the thing on top. Okay, so there's his head. There we go, there's his horn here. Next up, just gotta draw his mouth here. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw these parts here, and okay, next up are his really large teeth here. There we go. Okay, there's his teeth. There's his teeth here. Okay, next up are his hands here. Okay, next up is the teeth. I think four. Okay. Okay. Okay, here's his arm. Okay, so okay, so almost done. What about there we go. I did the inside of his jaws. Next up are the mandibles inside. I did the teeth. And lastly is his last foot. There we go. And that's pretty much it. That is how you draw a guzzlord. Oh, wait, forgot to add the stripes. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe and tell all your friends. And I will let you guys know what kind of Pokemon I'm gonna draw next. Goodbye for now.